Yeah.
You're lucky you guys can't even see the weapons.
5 banana bombs?
Holy crap.
Just
Drunken, be careful. Drunken, be careful. There's no retreat time.
There's no retreat
What can
time.
we use?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Can't use
we
anything
can't
except for stupid.
We can't.
It's artillery!
Yeah.
Longbow, brave little toast
There's
for
nothing
the
better
mine.
than having
Longbow,
80
brave
seconds
little
of
toast
turn
for the
time
mine.
while not being able to move.
Oh, these are.
Oh god! Double damage too. So yeah,
Wait,
hello
okay.
everybody!
I'm
We're gonna
so
play
glad.
the Fiat Bowl with team Holy Drunken Birds versus what is the other team name again? I forgot.
Fucking
Who
man.
mandated all three-
When we're in
Oh
artillery
yeah,
mode, just ninja rope do
with
anything?
Wild M, Isaac, and Turbo Flaming Chicken.
Why do we have ninja ropes if we can't move?
Well, you can
what are
use
you
the
gonna
ninja
do?
ropes to
You-
move around.
You can use a ninja rope.
It's just you can't. On the ground.
You can't what?
Right, so what are you gonna
Well,
do
anyway,
this
we've-
turn, buddy?
And there's also select worms. You
Yeah,
can
come
press
on, you have
tab in
60
order to
seconds, hurry
switch
up.
worms.
My bad. I didn't even realize it was my turn.
See, it's a good thing we have 90 seconds per turn now.
Yeah.
Right,
You're so going to
guy-
need this time.
Yeah, knock
uh,
Ryu boosts out of that fucking safe spot.
Don't do
Boost
that, you
out
won't
of
do
it.
much
This is
damage
gonna
to
suck.
him.
Move on.
Well, still, if it'll move them close together to ooh.
Can I?
Yeah.
Not ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can always kamikaze.
Get
right
acquainted
downward.
with your LP catchphrases.
Have you now?
Okay.
All right. No, I got time to line this up. Let me grab a piece of paper. Okay.
This map is so going to last a long
Yes,
while.
get out to the ruler and straight edge.
Get a move on.
Oh yeah! Oh, son of a bitch.
Oh,
Ah!
You need a better piece of paper, it seems.
Yes, sir.
Damn it, I need a better piece of paper.
And
It's like a
besides,
piece
you've
of
killed
paper.
many trees with your strategy. I hate you.
Well, that's okay.
So
we
let's
got
see, what do
9.
have?
We got 6 napalm strikes.
holy fuck, that's a lot of longbows.
I know this works.
Yeah.
Drunken, if this doesn't work, will you forgive me?
Oh
Shit. Oh shit.
Yes.
Yes!
Oh well, it somehow
Oh god,
worked.
why?
Din 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 din
Not
din.
1%. So I guess it kind of evens out.
I hope I get to move
Right.
this time.
I
Hey,
use lots
hey,
of-
Placita. Longbow him into the mine.
Sound like
Well,
an
I mean,
idea,
like,
Isaac?
wait,
Isaac? Good idea?
Isaac.
what? Oh, it's
Three?
my turn? No,
Yeah,
it's not.
longbow.
No, mine's-
Longbow.
Should I
Longbow Mega
longbow
Man.
the fuck
into
out of
the mine. Longbow.
There we go.
Oh.
Yes!
Die.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shit.
Very
Oh,
nice.
shit.
Right, so
This is
God, there's
Dante.
nothing I can
Dante
do.
will die.
I can't do any fucking thing.
Shoot
Stop
the
making
oil
that
barrel.
joke, damn it!
Shoot the oil barrel.
Yes!
Shoot the
Good
core!
idea.
Shoot the core!
The core.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
The core.
Oh,
So-
there's actually an oil barrel here. I was aiming for the one above the M.
You shot Smith, I think.
Slap in by the reach.
Shot the
Reinforcements have arrived.
Alright. Proton, permission to use jetpack. I'm gonna go to the right.
Oh, fuck, we have a jetpack.
You only got one?
Hey guys, we also have invisibility. We have 1.
Yeah, sure,
How
Drunken,
is that-
go ahead.
Yeah, speaking of which, what
Uh.
kind of weapons do you have in this game for the people at home?
Can't see you.
Okay, we've got 6 Sarah.
Oh god, this is not going to end very well.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Uh,
Oh, leave
Aqua
Phoenix alone.
Shield.
I want to move this time.
4 more bomb.
Oh, God, no.
Combos. Blast.
I like
Oh, no,
where this
Drunken,
is
are you sure
going.
that's a good idea?
Oh, shit.
We'll just use a regular
No.
grenade.
Oh, thank god.
Yeah.
3 seconds.
Okay.
Give it a
We've got-
light throw and set it to 2 or 1.
We've got
Here
5
it
banana
is.
bombs. We've got flamethrower, a holy hand grenade.
You're not gonna get banana bombs till like 5 turns though.
We've got the
Turbo
ever so useful 5 fucking
Hey, we have
pieces of
aqua
gum.
Well, this. Oh
Yeah,
shit!
thank-
I'm sorry.
Boss.
Oh crap! I'm
Yes.
sorry. Oh
Oh,
shit!
best move ever.
Another
Isaac,
double
can you do it?
damage.
Isaac,
Okay,
use your,
Phoenix-
visibility and jetpack. And then just go get stuff, or do whatever. if you
Or
want.
just go
I mean,
kill Dante. Or
What-
maybe you
what
can
the
get
f-
Dante.
Oh, god damn it.
Okay.
We,
Great, you just put two of
why
our guys
not-
really close together.
I know,
So
I
that's
didn't mean
not a
to
good
do
idea.
that.
Maybe you
Alright.
I
can.
know, it's okay.
No, no, no,
Let's
no,
see
no,
if
no,
this
no.
is going to
No, I
work.
can't do it.
Yes,
Yeah.
it worked pretty well. Oh, you've been saved by the
Don't worry,
sound
guys,
of an
I'll put
eternal
up the bigger
laughter.
Alright, this is okay. You know what to do, Proton John.
You guys don't understand.
oh, fuck, it's a level 1 rope.
Oh, damn it.
Oh,
Oh, it's a level 2 rope.
oh yeah. This is the
Yeah,
level
level
2
two.
ninja rope.
Alright, perfect.
Religion! Away!
Fuck you. Right.
Jesus Christ, how long do you have in rope retreat time? Oh, alright. Alright. Are there any teleporters in this game by any chance?
Hey.
There are 2, but they're blocked off for another 4 turns.
Oh my god.
You have 2 Aqua Sheep, 3 handguns in a second, 8 miniguns.
Oh, 8
Five
minutes.
minutes.
I'm trying to see what I have available. Yeah.
And I look like they're coming for a long time.
You have 2 cows, 7 airstrikes. We have 8 palm strikes already.
I gotta try and make
I'm
this
so glad I made this
Strikes
game.
retarded.
Yeah.
Go to brave little toaster if you can still get all the health.
Do something.
Damn it!
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Well, I'm pretty
exactly?
sure there's still 3 or 4 more aqua
Back
sheep
on, if you
anyway.
can drown, lock fletcher, whoever that is,
Little
go for it.
sense. I mean, they failed, but, you know.
I am ahead of you, Proton John.
There is 10 seconds of escape time on the rope.
Oh,
So,
is he gonna do what I think he's doing?
Oh,
yes!
Oh, that was a
Oh,
waste.
no.
crack on.
Spinning! I mean, okay.
Gotta
Spinning!
get you out.
Q!
Spinning!
Fight it. All right.
Go kill.
you guys.
Oh, drop a holy on. Oh.
Oh!
Drop a holy on.
Hello.
Oh.
I can't reach it up. Your goodness stuck there.
That is awesome.
Excellent.
Let's see.
Alright.
That is not going to
You
end
better
well.
aim well.
Don't do that.
What else?
Well,
do you
actually,
guys-
1 second. Set it to 1 second and then throw it up at Dante, maybe. But, I don't know.
Leave Dante alone.
Nah, too high.
Almost.
Or put him in a better position, okay.
But Jesus Christ, how strong
okay.
the grenades are in this game.
Switch to Dante.
Drop a grenade on. Oh, do it.
And 100 health
Oh my God.
crates.
What the hell?
Holy shit!
I might be a little bit healthy now.
Just a little bit.
Just a wee bit.
Well, you can always try and go for the health crate. It's not like you're going to run out of time.
Yeah, my
Oh man.
Fuck.
Yeah, we already
It's
have
not
a ton of.
That's pure magic, by the way.
So,
Oh, God
alright.
damn.
How much health does he has
Fuck
now?
you.
I can
The
see.
worm is just never going to die.
Oh,
Unless we
oh,
knock it
fuck
in
you.
water.
He's immortal.
We're gonna have to knock him on the.
400.
Oh, God.
450 health.
That's how powerful Terry Bogart is. You will.
The gods.
How
Use your ninja rope over to ninja rope to get the
The
health
hell?
and health.
You can't aim down with them. They're level 2 ropes.
Yeah.
Balls. Why do they do
Go for the health. Do it.
You should even be
Yes.
lucky that you have an
Don't
additional
worry, guys.
shot.
Make a comeback.
Then go to Terry Bogart and attack him. You have plenty of time. You have a second rope shot because it's level 2, right?
Yeah.
Right.
What?
Okay.
Oh, only
so-
2 shots?
So
Yeah.
Crack on.
down
End it
there now.
now. End it now, crack on.
Fuck!
Fuck me. Hi.
You know what to do,
I-
buddy.
My team turned stupid.
Hey, screw you. You're not doing that great.
I
Okay. Just a plain old grenade should do it, eh?
Yeah, they're super grenades.
Yeah. They're super grenades! Level 5
Yeah,
grenades!
Nice. Very nice.
It's done.
And
My
here
hero.
we go! That
is
pretty
going
much was a
badly.
no-brainer for this match. The Holy Drunken
We-
Bird wins
We won
this
by a large
match.
margin.
I didn't know. Dante got hurt for 8 damage. Damn it.
Yeah.